Yeah. Second, first March.
That to mention I can for listing what I just ordered on Monday
Not Monday next.
20.
22.
Yes, yes, sir. I'd like to mention for a listing from method for admission. The method relates to
First March.
can it be arranged prior to that?
Prior to that.
It's within the areas that I mentioned.
24th.
May I please like to go to the date to mention for listing of the matter to all this column, the matter will come on next week on any convenient day.
24th.
24th.
But sir, I have to mention for listing of the content that I have contact with university. Because last was the September 2022.
27th.
27th.
Yeah.
Take your best. Item 1 of the list, motion.
Yes. Oh,
The DLC recommended the SLC executive on the ground of delay.
what delay?
It's
What is the SOC recommendation?
SL page 58.
Yes.
Page 61 in respect of me, it is developed date past.
Hmm.
As the candidate applied after 1 year, he is elected due to non-available of forms as per office government of legislation. Now, the petitioner at the point of time was minor. His mother file application came back. And thereafter, my lord, after attending majority, and hard case was not considered. Then, after attending majority, my lord, this petition is applied. That the DLC recommended, SLC rejected. Last opinion, my lord, your lordship directly comment. The burden of his mother was considered in DLC also. That our application was considered. That is that. And there is another also the government.
Who were the advocates? It's already 10:30.
There was this technical process and after attending majority, what's can apply. And they consider. Supreme Court case when some mother case was rejected. Then also my lord, the Supreme Court says that after attending the majority, the what can be considered.
When did you apply?
My lord, the present petitioner applied that reflects in the DLC also 1/2/2020. Page 53. 54 serial number 11. He has passed higher secondary 77% mark obtained and application 1/2020. Mother applied immediately.
2022.
Father died on 11/11/2016. Mother applied on 6/1/2017.
Hmm. Yes, Baru, you have Bhopal. You have any instructions?
Supervisor inspection is concerned about notice of application dated 6/1/17 submitted by Srimati Zabadev, mother of the petitioner, was found to be traced in her office.
How is it? Where's your application, mother's application?
My. That is at page 39.
Was it forwarded?
My bad. Subsequently, another application also filed, minor takes 45. The first application was in a public matter, that is 39, 40, 41. Page 45 also, second application.
The 3/10/2017, that application was placed also. In DLC 28/2018.
Then,
But it not be recommend due to lack of vacancy of fit for post. also.
no, DLC recommended your case. isn't
Fine.
it?
In DXC, government state level committee. Sir.
You don't have appropriate instructions, Mr. Barrow. You get proper instructions and come back.
Got it.
Mother made 2 applications in 2017.
Yes.
Now, was the mother considered in the DLC?
Yes, that was one of that with regard to the first application also 6/1/17, most of the application is found in our office, in their office, but the application dated 3/10/17, which was placed in DLC within 28/3/2018.
Hmm. Then what
And
happened?
then this instruction I have, then again it was placed on 2022 meeting also. It was recommended for the post of assistant teacher. But we have not received the instruction from the SLC also.
That's why
That's rejected. SLC rejected.
you get the appropriate instructions.
Got it.
Yeah, AK
I'm at home.
and third and a half, then council for petition. Mr. S. Barrow, limit government shall receive instructions as to whether the case of murder of the petitioner was considered by the DLC as well as by the SS. So, please, the matter again after 1 week.
Got it. So last reason the final notice that order was there, whether that application 6/1/17 was filed by the mother or not.
You
Yes.
have to check out. You have to check out and come back.
So, okay.
Commissioner, which I,
I number 354.
what is this?
I was in paper for executive of the state level committee as a party respondent. I have not made the SSC as a party respondent in the petition. That's why I am. As a party respondent.
Yes.
Ministry of Lordship, I have received instruction Lordship. As per instruction Lordship, the petitioner has not filed the application. Our Lordship, after the date of his father Lordship. His father was died on 8/2005 Lordship. But the application was submitted on 7/2022 Lordship. There is no application as per record of the officer.
This is the second application of her. I think it's separate.
Where's your application of 7/8/2005?
That application, I have no next one.
Then
Seven is only Lordship.
But so I have arranged the first one, also that is all because of five words. Lots of five is that base 13 words.
Annexed to no restriction and signature.
Five.
Officer denied that they have not received this application. District Elementary Education Officer Shamadi.
7/8/2005.
Lots. Community after taking our other.
When was it considered? Then what happened?
That's what you have to mention the DLC regarding the name of the petitioner also that have been forwarded the recommendation also. And SLC by final that is also it is the 26th of August 2022, but you will find it at page 19 also, actually number 6, number 2. So they all are over. As we rejected the claim of the petitioner also. On the ground, the candidate is of 18 years of age, but he or she applied for the post as per OAS.
Yes, Burman.
Yes, Lordship. But what the as per my information that the application is after also long gap Lordship. As per when the 2015 Lordship. Immediately after the death of the Lordship,
No, there's already an application.
on 7/2000 Lordship in page 16 Lordship. Here it is clearly stated. Date of application is 7/2022 Lordship.
SLC also made an observation that the petitioner was minor by
Yeah.
making the application.
How?
That is the observation of the SLC.
How is it? SOC has made a different recommendation.
Yes, Lordship.
That means that application was there.
No, Lordship, no application Lordship.
Then how did the DLC come to the SLC come to the conclusion that when the petitioner made his application, he was a minor?
That is the highest authority of the official
They
authority.
have Lordship, considered the age or only Lordship, as per the, at the time of 2005, Lordship, they had come on that application, they have not go for this, Lordship, they are saying.
What is it?
SLC Lordship, yes, they have not, rejected on the ground of Lordship, delay submission of the application, Lordship. Only they have go for it at the time he was a minor, Lordship. Only,
That is the.
When he made his application in 2022,
yes, Lordship,
according to you,
yes,
he was already a major.
on 2022,
Yes.
22 means major, Lordship.
Then SLC made an application, made the observation that he is a minor when he made his application. Read it.
Yes, Lordship. But Lordship, as per impact of the DLC, Lordship, there is no application, Lordship, on 7/2000.
DLC made his recommendation.
Yes, Lordship, but they have wrongly
Then-
recommended, Lordship, that is,
No, no, SLC made a recommendation
yes, Lordship.
that the petitioner was a minor when he made his application. That means that the application of 7/8/2005 was there. If the two,
This was the institution of the direction after verification, Lordship, if there is an application on it, Lordship.
no. How can I say?
After the proper verification, if he is found eligible, then Lordship is generally considered, Lordship.
But Mr. B.K. Gogol and the counsel for petitioner also heard Mr. B.N. Sharma. Correspondence. Learned Standing Council, Elementary Education Correspondence, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, and 5.
And the record of it.
And MSDD Bhavan and Government Advocate, correspondence number 3. Stop. The father of the petitioner, while working as a teacher at Shalmari Missing LP School, died in harness on 8/3/2005. Stop. The petitioner claims that after the death of his father, he made an application on 7/8/2005 for appointment on commissioner grounds before the concerned authorities. However, his case was not placed before the district level committee. Stop. Accordingly, petitioner made another application on 7/2/2022 for appointment on commissioner grounds. For the district level committee, in its meeting held on 11/2/2022, recommended the case of petition for appointment as
Assistant teacher.
assistant teacher in lower primary against in lower against current vacancy for appointment on commissioner grounds. The state level committee in its meeting held on 26 August 2022 rejected the case of the petitioner on the ground that the petitioner was a minor. No, that the petitioner did not attain 18 years of age when he applied for the post in terms of the OM dated 1/6/2015. Stop. MS Didi Barman, and its government advocate on instructions, submits that as the petitioner had met his application only on 7/2/2022, his case could not be considered by the state level committee, as he had applied after gave off
Therefore,
more than 20 years.
20 years.
More than 20 years. Stop. However, on the consideration of the minutes of the SLC, it is said that the rejection of the petitioner, rejection of the case of the petitioner was due to the fact that he was a minor when he made his application. The observation of the state level committee and the instructions in the submission of the government advocate runs contrary, in as much as the state level committee rejected the case of the petitioner only on the ground of being a minor when he made his application. Accordingly, matter is remanded back to the state level committee for reconsideration of the case of the petitioner after proper verification as to whether the petitioner had made his application on 7/8/2005 as well as on 7/2/2022. So, the state level committee will consider the case of the petitioner in its next immediate sitting. Stop. And thereafter pass appropriate orders in accordance with law. Stop. With the above observations and directions, with petition of disbursement. I, in view of the order passed, I stance. Yeah.
Here in this case, the government of India has introduced the Balika Vidyalaya to provide education
those below poverty line or SC/ST in the backward block or backward area. So the petitioners herein have earlier also they have come, and they are the cook and assistant cook. The petitioners are cook and assistant cook in those Balika Vidyalayas throughout all over the Assam. What happened, my lord? Your lordship, I may take your lordship to annex 1, the circular, page 23.
Page
23, 22. Annex 1.
yes.
Yes, my lord. So, my lord, there are the conditions are there is circular. The lordship will find. You are therefore therefore directed look into the following areas carefully by ensuring safety and security measures in the KGBV, Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya. The condition your lordship will find the next for the male staff. Next paragraph, for the male staff, cooks, chowkidars working in the KGBV and living in the same premises, their shelter should be arranged outside the KGBV campus. This is my case. Outside the KGBV campus, till the arrangement is complete, the living room of this staff should be arranged in area which can be monitored by warden. So the girl children are there educated in those Balika Vidyalayas, and cooks and assistant cooks, this circular has been issued that their arrangement should be made outside the campus. This is my case. So we have been out of selection, my lord. Conducted district-wise selection was done, and we have been selected, and we have been appointed for 11 months. Completion of 11 months, again another agreement they do, and we used to execute the agreement. So this year we are going on the our services are going on now nearly 10 years. By executing the agreement after 11 months. Suddenly, my lord, in the 2016, my lord, a circular has been issued. That is case 39. Another 8, type 41.
Yes.
Well, so by here, some restriction has been imposed. Sir, madam, the mission director is directing the district mission commission.
Page 39.
Yes, 33 months, sorry, 33. The mission director is issuing this circular. So, lordship will find is 33 and the rate. To the reference of cited above, this is to inform you that during the project approval board meeting for consideration of AWP and B so and so, Government of India suggested for restriction of any resident male staff in the KGBV's campus for ensuring safety and security for the girls children in KGBVs. It is therefore decided not to keep any male resident staff like cook, assistant cook in any KGB. In view of this, you are hereby directed not to execute any further deed of agreement with any male cook or assistant cook after expiry of present deed of agreement. So we have challenged this one. There, our arrangement is outside the KGBV campus. So we are not assessing in the resident of that KGBV campus. So we have challenged this one. Now, in this circular, you will find in the next paragraph, page 34. Further, they are also contradicting itself. They are themselves contradicting. The Chokidar ka Mali, who is working resident staff in KGBV, and this must be restricted from assessing in the children area. So here we have been restrained from our duties of cooking. But here the Chokidar and Mali, they are allowed to, they are male staff. So this circular we have challenged, and this honorable court interfered and passed the order dated 4/8/17, that is to also by 38. So my lord, last paragraph. In the meantime, the impugned circular so and so of the mission director SSA should not be enforced to disengage any of the long service approved and extended. distribution. By this manner, that circular has been interfered by the summary report. So we have been continuing till today. We have been working. Meanwhile, again, my lord, another circular has been issued.
This case has been disposed,
No, it's pending till now.
even this one.
Yes, sir. That earlier issue is pending till now. Now, those who have been, my lord, terminated from the circuit by earlier circular, they have been again reinstated. Now, recently, my lord, this circular has been issued again. Another 11 interim circular, that is page 41. Another 11. So what happened here, my lord, the respondents are going to establish, going to set up now Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Avasya Vidyalaya. Now respondents are going to establish or they are going to set up those Vidyalayas again in different areas of the state of Assam. Now they are taking decision to transfer those male staff of KGBPs to this national, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. This is the idea of the respondent. Now I will take your lordship to the clause 1 of that interim amendment 41. Finalization of the list of out of school children. This is not this one. The list of 100. This one word is missing, but we can mean it. The list of 100 students. It should be 100 students. Out of school children, boys of upper primary level. Now you have to drop out or never enroll category should be finalized for enrollment in Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Avasya Vidyalaya. The list should be finalized by 30th November 2022. So this is the proposal of the respondent. Now here number 2, filling up of staff NCD by transfer from existing KGBP type 2 type 3. So we have reinforced staff. There will also be the column serial number 4 head 2 1 so and so so and so. Now we are this is again contradicts the circular again also contradict much. The transfer and joining of the above mentioned positions in Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Avasya Vidyalaya from existing KGBB type 2 type 3 must be completed by 30th November 2022 without pay. The staff transfer from existing KGBB to new Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose will continue their work in existing KGB till operationalization of new soil. So this is our case. Now the thing has not been set up till now.
This one has not been set up.
No, not been set up, but if we transfer now, suppose now, if the base is not there, so we will be backward. So let them come with the affidavit, that yes, those schools have been set up.
On this policy decision that has been taken in terms of Annexure 11, 311/22, Lordship, this and the subsequent transfer order, Lordship, this was challenging another set of repetition, and that repetition has been dismissed by this honorable court, and the order is here.
Yes, I have an argument on that. They are different stuff.
No, Lordship, may kindly look at page 41, the serial number 2. Lordship, here the categories of staff has been given, and in the same sort administrative assistant beyond Sokida come Mali, Lordship, this post was sanctioned, and the main staff that are required to be transferred is given in the 3rd column, Lordship. Same set of person in this Lordship, that repetition that has been dismissed. Lordship, they have challenged this letter dated 3/11/22, and court has upheld this letter, Lordship.
Yes,
Here, that has not been considered, madam, that point.
which point?
The third circular matter, the arrangement of mail cook or assistant mail cook to be arranged outside the campus.
That's a different thing.
Now, outside the campus, there is a, so accordingly, by that matter, that circular has been issued, madam. And
That is the subject matter of a different writ petition. The subject matter of this present writ petition
yes, madam,
is against this circular
yes.
of 311.
Annex of 11 place 41.
311, where's the date?
They in the next with Lordship 42.
311/2022.
Here you also will find in the which staff are to be transferred. You know, just have a look.
I've seen.
Yes, they
This
are
is the same case, it was taken up here.
same case, but those things have not been taken up, madam. I don't think, madam, because mail cook now after a long 10 years of study, now if the establishments are not set up, let them say,
You are against the transfer.
now again the transfer being what, madam, we can go. We
Then-
we have come, but let the establishment be there.
No, you have set up your
No,
establishment.
madam,
They
no.
they have
No,
set
no.
up 10 establishments.
One record should, otherwise will be, one record should come, yes, we have established. Others will be in vacuum, madam.
No.
There is a- Others will be in vacuum.
No, Lordship, until and unless the staff doesn't go and it cannot be operational.
If there is no school, where will you go?
Lordship, there is, it has been established, Lordship, and people are being appointed, and it's a policy decision, Lordship, to transfer the male staff from the.
I am not against there. I am not
To
against there.
the
Will go.
males.
Established should be there, my lord.
It is established.
No, my
It's a
lord, they
review
say,
process.
my lord, your lord, that's why your lord, the circle itself is contributing, your lord, in the that column, man. I will look into that. Transfer and joining of the above pension position from existing KGB must be completed by, transfer will be completed by 30th number 2011 without pay. Now you will see the next time. The staff transfer from existing KGB to district will continue their work in existing KGB till operationalization. Still it is there, man, till operation, I will doubt, man, that it is operative.
Have you established?
Yes, Lordship, it has been.
Let them come to that, otherwise our service will go in vain.
Give me some instructions that
Yes,
you
ma'am.
established.
Lordship, I have got instruction that it has been established and it is going to the operation in the session. In the coming academic, but first of all, there the staff has to be there, Lordship. Then only the school can operate. If no one wants to go, then it's a non-operational school, Lordship.
I will,
Just show me that
Yes, madam.
you're establishing it. You have established it.
Lordship, in the order, Lordship, it has been stated, why they have been transferred, Lordship. Lordship, page 12 and 13, that's a long paragraph, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, fine.
Yes.
Lordship, it will be thereupon the government of India, Lordship,
Yes.
thereupon the government of India in its further approval board meeting to consider annual board plan and budget, Samagra Shiksha Assam has sanctioned 10 numbers of new NSCBA PS1 that Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Asar Vidyalaya in 10 blocks. According initiatives have been taken for operational of this NSCBA. It was mentioned that the temporary institution of same nature as KGB only difference is that KGB is a residential school for girls, whereas NCBA is a residential school for boys. It was mentioned that in NCO, most of the positions like superintendent, administrative assistant, who are to be filled up with male staff. Accordingly, taking into account the said aspect of the matter, the
I
income
don't,
transfer.
yes, still there, it's not clear that there.
If they doesn't want to go and join, then how it can be
So
operational?
how can we, yeah.
They simply want to remain in at their home.
Now, we should, okay, your lordship, may I-
Lordship, since they are in service, transfer is an accident is of service.
I am not against that.
Can repeatedly object on that.
I am not against
He
that.
has
We
been
may,
repeatedly objecting.
I am not against that. We may go. Some protection should be there. The depth will be there. The establishment is there.
You will be there.
No, my lord, ultimately now, even though, even if we go also, but then they should produce one record. my lord.
Also taking
I
into
don't
account same
know.
aspect of the matter, the interim transfer order was issued on 3/11/22. It was
Similar
also
matter totally covered by this order.
in order to, since they have been continuing for a long period, in order to retain them, lordship, they have been transferred for till their retirement time, lordship.
So you have been you have been
They have been
retained.
acknowledged, they have not been returned or terminated, lordship.
You are just being
They are
transferred.
contractual employees.
You're just
Oh,
being
I am not against that. I'm just like that, permanent employee. Yes, we are contractual employee. We are our agreements after 11 months. Well, I'm not against that. But whether there is an establishment, only just process and started.
Whether there's an
Now,
establishment
also,
or
and
not.
one more point is there, that has to be considered by the honorable single there. That if we go there, whether those Balika Vidyalayas, who will be there? Future one, I don't think that, because no new.
That is not your concern.
Yes,
That is not your concern.
But one protection, you also may, this were covered, but one protection, that there should be an establishment.
There is an
That must lie
establishment.
under this.
Already, this court has already noticed that there is an establishment in 10 blocks.
But 10 blocks, there is their proposal, my lord, 10 blocks, you also will find, can you be accommodation there, like so and so post, can you be filled up to make 10 blocks. At sanction 10 new 10 blocks, sanction much,
Sanction.
sanction 10 blocks,
And it
whether
says-
establishment has come up.
You read further.
Yes.
Accordingly, initiatives have been taken
Yes,
for
they can
operationalization
operation of this.
of this NSCBVL.
Now today is February, then by 30th 11, they have to complete by 30th 11 2022. Now today is my lord, for 15th February. I don't think that establishment has come up. Because what stay are still we are working here.
Yes,
I don't think establishment has come up.
Also, it is there in view of the.
just get some instruction.
Yes, madam, only for that. I am not saying that.
Can they dictate, lordship will have to consider, can they dictate a alternate order, there is a post or structure, we will not go. They are contractual employee, transfer, they have to go, lordship.
What type of subdivision I'm making?
There was nothing discriminated, lordship, and this honorable court in another set of petition has upheld this decision, lordship.
I'm discussing it all.
Yes, ma'am. But that some protection should be there.
What protection you require? Nothing. Heard me, Mr. B. Sinha, the counsel for petitioner. Also heard Mr.
These are the.
No, 1 minute. Elementary, DN, learned standing council, DN, elementary education for respondent number 1. And Mr. B. Chowdhury,
2, 3, 4,
learned standing council,
5,
SSA,
6, yes, perfect, and 7.
for
2 to
the
7, lordship.
respondents, 2 to 7. Stop. Para. The petitioners are serving as head oblique assistant cook
Yes, sir.
in on contractual basis under the in the respective Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya within bracket KGBV on fixed numerations since 2008 after being selected by the district level authority. Stop. The engagement of the petitioners are on the basis of agreement for a period of 11 months which are renewed from time to time. Stop. New para. When was this KGBV? And the,
2004.
and the other one is
Other one is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, NSCBA.
the KGBVs are funded by the government of India under the Ministry of Education. As per the approval of the project approval board within bracket PAB meeting with 90:10 fund sharing pattern of the government of India and government of Assam. Stop. Petitioners before this court are aggrieved by the circular dated 3/11/2022, by which they are being transferred from their respective KGBV to the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Avasiya Vidyalaya within bracket NSCBAV for boys. Stop. The NSCBAVs are institutions in the same nature as KGBVs. And the only difference is that the KGBVs are residential schools for girls, whereas NSCBAVs are residential school for boys. Stop. By the said circular dated 3/11/2022, the petitioners are being transferred to the to the KSCBAV in their respective districts, and the said transfer and joining of the existing male staff of KGBVs to NSCBAV are to be completed by 13 November 2022. Stop. Para. Mr. P. Chowdhury, Leonard, Standing Council Assistant, submits that the Samakra Shiksha, Assam, had already sanctioned 10 numbers of new NSCPAVs in 10 blocks, and initiatives are taken for operationalization of this NSCPAVs. And when is the session starting?
Lordship, from this February, Lordship, and Lordship may kindly turn over to page 43, Lordship, 43 of the petition. Even if there is some free work to be done for a person, Lordship, the petitioner still protected the last paragraph. Further, the roster will continue their work in the existing KGB till operation of new and NSCBAV and start developing a new NSC as soon as
And the classes will start
very soon. Lordship, and the exact date I cannot say.
at an early date. Stop. Para. The additional deputy commissioner within bracket EDM and district machine coordinator SSA issued an order on 21/11/2022 transferring. These are the petitioners.
No, only three. Is a book as book.
No, this only serial number 3
Serial number 3 is the petitioner, one of the petitioners.
transferred. Who's his petitioner number?
Petitioner number 5. Page 4, 5.
Transferred the petitioner number 5 along with 2 others to the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Abhisaya Vidyalaya, Hailakandi, with the direction to join in the said NSC PAV on or before 30 November 2022. Stop. The order further indicates that the said transfer staffs will continue to work in the existing KGB till operationalization of the new NSCBAV and start rework as soon as the new NSCBAV will start functioning. Stop. It is the claim of the petitioner that if the circular dated 3/11/2022 is not interfered with, then they would be jobless and their means of earning would be affected. Stop. However, on the consideration of the order dated 21/11/2022, it clearly indicates the protection of the contractual service of the petitioners. Stop. Para. As the present matter pertains to transfer of contractual employees and keeping in mind the scope of judicial review with regard, keeping in mind the limited scope of judicial review with regard to such matters, and particularly taking into account that the order dated 3/11/2020, no, 21/11/2022 clearly protects the contractual service of the petitioners. I find no merit in this present writ petition, and accordingly, the same is dismissed.
Also make clarify because only one transfer order has been annexed here. It relates to that petition, Lordship, because otherwise, Lordship, the others have come in apprehension, Lordship.
Yeah, that is no problem.
It's the first of all that petition.
I will just modify.
Instead of this case can be closed, madam.
No,
Closed.
Okay.
contempt. Page
17/17. After that, Lordship, they were the order. And in spite of the operation of the order, matter is still pending, Lordship, the writ petition.
2/9/2022,
Lordship,
this one.
Lordship, the matter is still pending, Lordship.
Yeah, MS,
Eight Alakar.
third MSA Talukta, then comes. Issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respondents 1, 2, 3, and 4 by registered proceeding within 1 week.
The matter is
Yes.
now along with the writ petition, Lordship.
The matter-
5674,
Up to 6 weeks. Along with WBC number
5674 of the 2020.
5, 6.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Five.
What is this contempt? Who is the order? Who is the order? Who is the order that you are alleging contempt?
Those who are saying account number 14 or so.
Have you gone through your brief? Why? Being a junior, at least you should go through the brief and stand before this court.
So we are saying. Annex 2 lawsuit, page number 12.
Where's the operative portion? You have not been reinstated back. I'll dispose it of. All right. I'll give a time frame. Here, there's no time frame given. All right. Your good name, please. D data. Her name is D data. Learning council petition. By this contempt petition, petitioner is alleging non-compliance of the order dated 6/1/2023 passed by this court in WBC number 7922/2022. The operative portion of the order dated 6/1/2023 reads as under page 15. A to A to A. It is the case of the petition that till date, the petitioner has not been reinstated. As to the post, has not been reinstated as reinstated back to his service, and he is not being allowed to join his service to the post of in charge headmaster of 231 Hinglar Bar LP School under Hailakandi Education Plan. Stop. The order dated 6/1/2023 passed in WBC 7922/2022 did not prescribe for a time frame for implementation of the same. So, accordingly, the respondents are directed to forthwith implement the order dated 6/1/2023 passed in WBC 7922/2022 within a period of 1 month with effect from today. With the above directions, with this contempt petition is closed.
6.
Yes,
Worship, order starts from page 11, worship. Relevant question at page 13. There are four.
yes, heard, Mr.
I'm S. Sudhar.
Yes,
Sudhar. On the mistake.
when the council appearing on behalf of Mr. A.K. Datta, when the council for petition. Issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the sole respondent. No, on the respondents 1 and 2. By registered post AD within 1 week from today. Yes.
Because I'm retiring on 30th of April this year. I'm started to be given after 3 weeks.
No, I'm sending it by registered post after 6 weeks.
7.
You are the principal of the college. You was demoted, that demotion order was demoted and transferred under that assistant registrar. At page 22, relevant question. Now, page 24, you are working. That is a representation I submitted before the principal secretary. And last below, whether you given it to me, is it cannot join, the BTC clears it. Left hand side, right hand side.
Yeah, heard Mr.
But what I would like to submit to Washington, can receive this contact rules, rule 6(7). Because your lordship has to take a constant decision whether should we exempt it from appearance for the planning or should we appear.
No, that I've considered.
Yes.
We'll first
What is that
issue,
mean?
first issue notice. Let us see what happens.
For the timing, your lordship will say appearance dispense. Because that decision has to be taken by you.
We does then the senior counsel. Assisted by Mr.
As well.
S. Varan and counsel for petition. Issue notice. Petitioner takes step for service of notice. Sole respondent
Yes, sir.
on the sole respondent by registered post ID within 1 week. List the matter of the 6 weeks. Considering the nature of allegation made in the present petition. No, don't say like that. We'll not say anything. Let us see.
And we are also required to say that for the timing, personal appearance is not necessary. Dispense to.
That's why I'm saying, no, I think that.
The next day, whether we require your lordship may call for a question. For the timing, your lordship may dispense to. More than that,
The personal appearance of the sole respondent is dispensed with
for the timing.
for the time being, despite the allegations made in the present application.
Now you go by register post.
Yes.
You said what the mother is on your investment. The study is going on in the investment for which I could not collect the knowledge. The required information matter. So this is matter taken up in the next matter. They are able to find another picture matter. Their picture to make come up a numbers that I'll just take my we can do the next time. They will take time, no problem. I'll just take. My here in an advertisement, that is at page 70, that was a common advertisement. But you will see at page 70. But all the departments, I am appeared for post B to political science associate professor. I am the assistant professor working in the Digital University. I appeared for post B to political science specialization. Thereafter, I was called for interview on 6/9/2022, page 90. To be appeared on 11/10/2022. I appeared along with 2 other candidates. All the departments lordship sees at page 70, the results have been given. In my department, results has not been given. Now at page 20, lordship sees Annexure D 24/1/2023, a letter has been issued seeking fresh vacancy position. That is, they are, without concluding this process, they are initiating another process. Now, the Act, Dibrugarh University Act, restrains them from doing that. The advertisement process goes through 3 parts. Firstly,
Now, how do you know that this is regarding your post?
no, Lordship, it is sent out to our department. We apprehend that they are not giving the results and they will conduct fresh advertisement. Therefore, Lordship, I am just seeking that Lordship may issue notice and maintain status quo as part I will declare my results provisionally because I have already participated in
Let us wait for his instructions.
Yes, let me come in the next one. I will be able to.
Mr. B.D. Varan and counsel for the petitioner. On request made by Mr. Swenfeld and his standing counsel. And Dibrugarh University. List the matter again on. When do you want?
As per senior counsel continues. Just till then status quo.
No. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen till.
I assure you, my lord, no action will be taken.
Okay.
9.
This matter is relating to compassionate development. The DLC recommended 37,000 document file phase 21 is the abstract error portion document. Phase 21. The 21. Here already submitted 34 numbers of proposals for appointment of compassion done in the post of assistant teacher under any LLC. Namely, these are the 14 them. Out of my number is highlighted Rohit Burman.
Lohit.
Rohit Burman. Yes. Therefore, as per Honorable High Court order and as per instruction issued by Director Division Assam, so and so, the district level committee has decided to cover all proposals along with the details of the estimate the government proposition is assessed. Till the process verdict, no outcome has been informed to the council. And also recently I had something similarly situated person from this BSc recommended recently has been appointed. In this respect, I will submit a revision also. Only when rejected clear, the outcome may be informed. If it is rejected or yes, further I have submitted a revision to
Outcome of the SLC.
yes, I should not inform. Yes, maybe I have filed a application also. Only this rejected clear also.
What is this SLC minutes of 26 August?
Lordship, it is in connection with test 21 Nikul Gora, Lordship. I have highlighted test 21. If it is from the same DLC, his case was considered test 27. Nikul Gora, he has been appointed grade 4 recently, Lordship. Test 27 kindly.
Lordship, may kindly come to page 22, Lordship. From this page, the extract copy of 21 is prepared, Lordship.
No, it is from this. No, I'm giving it. I'm giving like I have to. Not I'm giving
Take instruction.
but I'm giving the.
I have to take instruction.
The next part is this. The Xerox was not typed. For a Lordship copy, test 20 is readable, Lordship.
Page 22 is the same one, isn't it?
Yes, yes. Okay. The copy which was furnished to my council, Lordship, that it was not visible, Lordship.
This is the page 22, Lordship.
I'm giving text.
Not at all legible, Lordship. So,
Yeah, 1 minute.
There is visible, Lordship.
I obtained instruction on the minutes, Lordship, on the 13/7/2012, whether his name was there or not, Lordship. Because in our copy, it's not at all legible, Lordship.
Lordship, that is the test 22.
At the same time, I will also.
From 9th line, Lordship, from bottom, Lordship. Lohit Burman, my name is there. In test 22. 9th line. From bottom, Lordship. And another person, Nikul Gora, his name is second line. From the bottom, Nikul Gora, son of Lohit Gora. But the copy is just furnished to my friend, Lordship. That line, he has given the. I have.
It's there.
You can take it. I have given just to do that. You can take it.
Anyway, Lordship, I will obtain instruction, what is the SLC.
You are Mr.
Yes, ma'am.
That is your then the constitution. Mr.
Yes, sir.
S.R. Barol and the government shall receive instructions as to whether the state level committee has considered the case of this case. How much time?
2 weeks.
No, next Monday, Lordship.
2 weeks.
SLC will make immediate, Lordship. I can- Monday, Lordship.
2 weeks.
And
Yes.
The petitioner proposed to apply before the court in for inspection and education. Never super apply for NCT university. So studying their 4 years integrated BA and BSc BA program university. Thereafter, after receiving the application, the Guwahati University was Paris Service of phase 24. Student letter appointed to inspector also to inspect the petitioner's college and the submitting report in same page.
1 minute.
Page 24. It's a letter issued by the Guwahati University. Appointed to inspector.
Yes, then
On submitting the satisfactory report with the inspector, Guwahati University, again, institute letter with it, is an except we also case 5. Directing the petitioner to deposit this 4 days, 84,000 for partition fee for NOC to obtain integrated BA, BA program and BSc BS program. Thereafter, also the petitioner deposited the amount, that is the annexure 4, is 26. So online. After that, the petitioner is waiting for his NOC, but surprisingly again, that is annexure 5 days 27. So again, it should be letter where the appointing three inspector also to inspect the petitioner for a second also.
Then
First letter is to inspect for BA, BA course, and second letter is BSc, BA course. So it's absolutely immediate because petitioner is waiting for answer to apply the MCD document.
yes, anybody?
Standing council, university students.
Have you served a copy?
Yes, sir.
What's the service copy? Notice not there. There's no notice here.
Probably in third file also.
Third file. Yeah. Guwahati University. Who appears actually? Normally, who's the standing counsel?
Teachers portal.
Take up after some time, you go and inform.
11.
Hmm.
Matter relates to the contested appointment matter. So after the petitioner was tried on 12/10/14 matter, and immediately he applied for on 9/1 the petitioner pays 13 matter. Before the PU matter.
Yes, Barwa.
For the page 14 also. I have to take instruction. Because no single signature there. Page 14.
At page 16 matter the kind of same matter. The PU
Page
has
14, 14 no single signature, so I will take instruction of it.
man, पहले see the page 16.
Whether such application.
16 पहले. 16 matter PU has forwarded the letter matter. Well, immediately whether PLC has considered or not, it would consider matter.
He has made his application forwarded by the block education officer.
But only one thing, I will obtain the instruction regarding these figures.
Okay, heard Mr.
Hey, how are you?
A. Awaril and counsel for petitioner, Mr. S. Barwell and the government, S. R. Barwell and the government. Shall receive instructions as to whether the DLC has considered the case of the petitioner. This matter after 2 weeks.
Date and take night.
You know, it will come up.
Well,
The petitioner hearing is stipendary teacher method of LP skill. It's a 2/18, which is government letter. Page 15. The stipendary teacher will be application by the committee. Page number 17 is a teacher of manner 4 to 9 number, Banjumara LP.
third line of the appointment letter. This is important, madam, the name of the school.
Page.
Page 1 5. Appointment letter.
Yes.
Yes, the third line is a secondary teacher of 4 to 9 Mundukmara LP school. So we got page number 17. The appointment letter of the response number 6, type of responding letter. The same name letter, serial number 2. Serial number 2, Bangla Bill LP school. The same name, my lord. He is also Nurul Huda Lashkar. Krishna is also Nurul Huda Lashkar.
Okay.
Now, my lord, in the year 2022, my lord, page number 20, the government of Assam Education Department decided to accommodate these persons who have served as secondary teachers to accommodate as tutor, my lord, page number 20. 20. In the type code method and Q1 2011. Element part type code method. Exercise of power one part upon director immediate education. Assam by letter number 12 for letter 12 and parcel of the government approval communicated by 1/22 and subject to production of physical fitness certificate from concerned joint director of health service. Following delegates is hereby accumulated as tutor. School 1. Purely temporary basis, fees to 10,800. Now, madam, the name of the petitioner appears Nurul Huda Lashkar, 4 to 9 Bandukmara LP school. But, my lord, when he went to join the school, he found that the school number 6 already joined. So he was a teacher of a different person.
In your school?
He is in my school. And what even, my lord, in the appointment letter, there is no name of the father's name is there. This is the my lord, taking this opportunity to join.
But MJ Katir, council for petition office. MS Standing Council, Elementary Education, appears for respondents 1 to 4. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice of respondents 5 and 6 by registered post city. 5 and 6
5 and 6.
by registered post city within 1 week. List the matter of the 4 weeks. We will see. Notice stage not good.
13.
He was appointed in the year 1999, specifically on 11th of November 1999. There are kind of serving budget recently, that's from 20. Where is the respondent number 4 has been appointed as the in-charge principal. That the respondent number 4, she was appointed in the year 1995. Appointment was the regulation 3 years of the regulations of APC regulation 30. And worship third services were subsequently regularized in the year 2001. Worship is the second regulation such a period while she was in service under regulation 3 years that cannot be counted to SPC. Therefore, she ought to be junior than in the second regulation 2001. She was appointed as the in-charge. In the meantime, the government voice is to just the admission school and the cadet is 7 it has a transfer to principal to 1. In the month of December. Final representation. Since I am the senior most teacher in both the schools, I may be granted the in-charge principal post in government budget. Then also I may consider and by lordship order dated lordship 29/12/20. The inspector of schools has been given charge of principal of government. For appointment as in-charge principal of government.
Yes, sir.
Minor, seniority is minor, the respondent number 4 is the senior most petition minor.
Whatever it is, we'll see. Third, Mr.
Eight of
A. Chakraborty, learned counsel to petitioner, issue notice. U. Sharma, learned standing counsel,
for secondary education department.
secondary education, appears for the respondents, 1 and 2,
1, 2, and 3 minor.
1, 2, and 3.
I'm for student number 5.
Mr. P.G. Fukan, learned standing counsel, Guwahati University, appears for respondents. 5. Petitioner to texters for service of notice on by a registered post with this is the matter for weeks.
They may consider my case for appointment as principal of government. We have already prepared a presentation.
Pendency of this petition shall not be above for the respondents to consider the case of the petition.
14.
Procedure matter is just withdrawal of provincial license of teaching services and assistant teacher. Assistant science.
Withdrawal.
Science teacher, please. Procedure round is the respondent number 5 file another petition claiming provincial license on the basis of seniority, and there is an interim order receiving the authorities from provincial license the service of the petitioner and another teacher, and it has come to knowledge of the authority committee now, and therefore they have withdrawn the provincial license of petitioner service. But the petitioner initial appointment was on 3/1/1994 as science teacher in Gorbari College, ME School, Luxembourg, and this service was provincialized as science teacher on 5/2/21, page 29, MSSC.
Yes.
And if you order is the page 32. Or by the date of elementary education. This one. And it's 50.
So withdrawn on the basis of this court's order. This court has passed an interim order
Interim order
directing that you and another person should not be
provincialized.
provincialized.
But since no copy has been received by the authorities and even I have not received any copy till there. So this service has been provincialized. Otherwise, also the document, the petitioner in the another case notice says that she is an assistant teacher in language.
Okay, we'll consider
Yes, sir.
listed with WBC 1483. Third MS Art David and on request made by MS N. Then standing council and the military education is a matter of 1 week to enable her to take instructions. This the matter again on Monday will be too short. 24th.
15.
Page 42.
Yes.
I have been accommodated as user of 245 South issue got revision.
Hmm.
After getting this order, my lordship, I went to the place, but I could not find any school by this name, my lordship. After my lordship, I submitted the representation, my lordship.
Hmm.
I tried before the block elementary education officer, and I took joining for the block elementary education officer, page 55 minutes of 5 minutes. Just because I could not find the school, I have taken to join. My name is on the list, my lordship, as per serial number 88, page 47.
Hmm. Page
47. Page 47, serial number 88, my lordship.
Hmm.
Islamuddin Lashkar. This is the list of tutor which has been published. And according to this list, my lordship, his appointment order was issued. But my lord, I came to know, my lordship, another person in the name of Islamuddin Barbuya, which I have arranged a respondent, private respondent, my lordship. He took joining by on the strength of my appointment letter in a different school, my lordship. And the school name is in the same village, my lordship. His name is not in the list, my lordship. His name is Islamuddin Barbuya. Name.
Okay, we'll see. But Mr. As per last time, when it comes to the petitioner, issue notice, Ms. M. Sukan, then standing council, elementary education, approach correspondence 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the following 6 and 7. 5 registered postponement within 1 week. List the matter after 4 weeks.
16. This is the professional appointment. If the other died 3 times it wasn't illegal, then he applied on 27 Thereafter, working will sign. So basically, the RTI reply.
1 minute.
For an advocate, file an RTI, seeking the interruption on this case of not considered.
Yes.
The deputy petitioner informs the advocate that with reference to the subject therefore I am informed that your proposal for appointment competition ground was placed in the meeting record 21/4/12. But the DLC could not recommend your proposal due to late submission of petition. It is submitted within 24 days. Thereafter, challenging the same, petitioner filed an application. Can you see page 21? Written
Hmm.
order dated 9/15 and page 22 operating partnership. Page 22. Page 22 may review second paragraph. The father of the petitioner who died on 3/9/2014. That's by hand it was corrected. 3/9/2014 wrongly mentioned.
Where page?
Page 22.
Yes.
Challenging the election, I have filed the petition. Page 22, paragraph 2. The father of the petitioner who died on 3/9/14 wrongly mentioned. That one I have by a mistake it was corrected. So and so this is the lawful order. So it's a school. His mother and younger brother on the other day of the state trade owner, who service the petitioner and family members are taking hardship, who is converted to the file this application for appointment within 5 months from the date of his order. However, this application was rejected by the district level committee on the ground that it was submitted lately after lately 5 months later. The law in this behalf is now settled. The period of limitation for filing of the application for competition ground is 1 year from the date of his visit. There is no doubt that the bar of the application the competition appointment was filed by the petitioner within 1 year from the date of his order. Now in the result, response number
It is directed to reconsider case of petitioner on merit and dispose of the petition agrees with the period of 2 months. Lordship. This is the order. I have filed within 24 days. Lordship. Now, Lordship, in the order dated, Lordship, second paragraph, 3940 is wrongly mentioned. Lordship. It should be 3911. I have filed miscellaneous application. Lordship will find case, Lordship, 24. I was filed in my order dated so the date when the father of the petitioner expired was wrongly mentioned as 3940, which should have been mentioned as 3911. That was correct. Lordship. And my father died, Lordship, died on 3911 and happened 27/9/11. It is within 24 days. Lordship. Now, pursuant to this order, Lordship, my case was not considered. Again, I filed an RTA application. Lordship, can you see case 26? Student advocate, I have filed an application. Lordship. Lordship, serial number 3, Lordship. This is RTA question, Lordship. Whether Mrs. Bora's name has been approved for appointment on corporation ground, if so, furnish me the cost of appointment letter, and if not, then on what ground his name has been rejected for appointment commission ground. This is RTA, Lordship. Pursuant to this, reply has been filed. Case 27. Next case. Lordship, a reply to question number 3, Lordship. Last one. The application of the petition was submitted after 5 months from the date of death of his father, instead of 3 months. As per the guideline for appointment, it is a distinct process. 1 year, they have mentioned. This is my case. Second, and subsequently, they have.
You are against this order?
Yes, sir. But the idea is like while they have respected that has not been mentioned only, they said it is submitted after 5 months. That is why.
This RTA application, you got it in the year 2015.
Yes, sir.
Now you are coming today.
The Lordship said I was so an airport I filed and I was out Kerala. Lordship. I visited Lordship. I was continuing. I was not in touch. Lordship. Now I have come to the fact. I visited Lordship. Then we have Lordship.
No,
Lordship. Case still I have visited Lordship. And a very poor person. He is staying in Kerala. Lordship. And case still I have. I'm told the Lordship, this scheme, when I approached Lordship in 2015-16, they told me it was in under process. And 17, when I approached, they told the scheme of corporation organization abolished, discontinued. That is, that I here is not aware, and he thought that it was discontinued. Later, when he came to know that this is discontinued, it tells the person who died after 1/4/2007. His father is that long back. So, that your Lordship, maybe.
over the phone, you can contact your counsel.
Yes, sir. From Kerala, he filed an RTA application.
You file an RTA application.
Yes, sir. And he,
Now, over the phone, you can contact your counsel to see the result of the RTA.
Lordship, he told me, no, it is, that is, now, Lordship, I know.
This explanation is not satisfactory.
Persons are appointed, Lordship, similar persons are appointed. I have filed an application also, to the commissioner. Only just clear, Lordship.
Yes.
They will get, Lordship.
Whether the order of this honorable court of 9/2015 was communicated to the office of the deputy commissioner or not, in regard to the note of secretary is there.
Lordship, that is submitted, Lordship. Otherwise, how they will submit this, Lordship, second subsequent RTA, when they say, dispensed post, Lordship. Pursuant to the order of this case, subsequently, they have, order was of 9/1/9/4/15, and RTA is the 2nd September 2015. They are after that, Lordship.
After 7 years, you are coming. I can.
There's two Lordship. 4% Lordship, they are not aware of this law and Lordship. Now persons, similar after persons who are died in 2007, they are also get some relief. Yes, now Lordship. Is there-
On the question of delay, your writ petition,
I'm giving you Lordship. Some 4% is there. Only half comes in before Lordship. Otherwise,
yes, Baro.
Yes, Lordship. Almost 8 years.
that's true, Lordship. Some consider value, Lordship. Maybe rejected. Advent government DLC can also reject Lordship. But for his satisfaction, since there is a direction from this honorable court, it is there.
Just see whether DLC considered.
Yes, we will obtain.
But Mr. You are Mr.
Yes, sir.
Then the counsel for petition. Mr. S.R. Burwell and Governor shall receive instructions as to whether the DLC has considered the case of the petition.
If this petition is there, it is mentioned, Lord, but it is already they have rejected correspondence. Lord.
Let us see.
It is there, Lordship.
Okay, Mr. S.R. Burwell and then Governor Advocate shall produce the minutes.
Yes, this petition last submitted after 5 months. There is the ground, Lordship. They said 3 months. It is 3 months.
But the minutes, where the DLC is sitting,
They have not punished us. This RTA.
So this reply was with that earlier DLC minor.
No.
anyway, you just check out, shall receive
Anyway, I have to obtain instructions
shall receive instructions, just say like,
after 2 weeks.
list a matter of 2 weeks.
All right.
26 of supplementary list. Motion.
Read the order. Page.
Last week. Considering the investigation of the of the court has already submitted the aggregate
Third, Mr. M. K. Nayak, Legal Counsel for Petitioner. Issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the sole respondent by registered post AD within 1 week. from the list after 6 weeks.
27.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, the petitioner initially was appointed as a subject teacher in science in town Panigao School, which is the distance from the town is 75 kilometers away. He has been suffering from serious ailments, Lordship. On his application, he was brought to town Panigao and attached to town Panigao School. Because after that, there been various occasions that attachment was removed and petitioner was before the honorable court, and the honorable court was were pleased to direct the authorities to keep the petitioner as an attached teacher on those posts. With the source of the petition starts in the year 2017, by which all orders were cancelled, all attachment orders throughout the state of Assam were cancelled. The petitioner submitted representation which was not heard it. So the petitioner came before this honorable court by way of WPC. The petition in the year 2017, Lordship. The honorable court's order is Annexure 63, page 63, Annexure 313 for Lordship 270. By this order, Lordship, the petitioner was the respondents were directed to look at the credits of the petitioner and also give him a favorable hearing and posting, along with saying that no salary will be stopped and he has to be paid as per the rules. The petitioner was paid his salary till February 2019, Lordship. In the meantime, while coming to know that the petitioner came before this honorable to the petition, the mistress of the school did not allow the petitioner to take his classes. The petitioner also mentioned in the petition that he was disallowed from taking classes, Lordship. After this petition, Lordship, they just did not do anything. I came with a contempt application. In the contempt application, prior to that, the order was passed again to take compliance by the DC. The DC came with modification of the order in contempt. They're saying that he was not the appropriate person, the director was that, and director of education was made the necessary party. After that, Lordship, even in that process of contempt, they selected 3 posts. There were 3 vacant line posts, which they said before this honorable court that they adjust the petition in one of the posts. They did not go with it. In the meantime, again they filed they put a show cause notice against the petitioner, alleging that he did not follow the instructions given by the department. The instructions, 3 instructions they had put, and the 3 instructions were before this honorable court challenge, and they were made parties. They filed their affidavit in opposition. They took part in the petition, Lordship. After that, the show cause notice, I challenged it. In the meantime, during the pendency of the show cause notice, Lordship, there was medical board also constituted during the high peak COVID time, Lordship, COVID-19 second pandemic, Lordship. A full-fledged medical board was constituted to examined the petitioner and they were, the medical board also gave the positive report on the side of the petitioner, Lordship. After that, Lordship, again there was 2650-220 was filed. That petition which challenged the show cause was disposed of in a direction to see to the petitioner giving a proper posting and see to the area salary, Lordship. Nothing was done. I came with a contempt petition. During the time of contempt petition, Lordship, this honorable court forced them to take immediate actions. They took the evidence by giving a posting to the petitioner in one of the 3 schools which they identified earlier, but his salary was not paid on the basis that no work, no pay. This is a completely non-implication of my part of the responding authority, because this no pay, no work, no pay will not come in, because there's a continuous process going on. Petitioner was representing petitioner before this court, Lordship. They did not follow the, although they pointed out 3 posts, they did not posting till then. But now it's posted and posting is given, and that is not given. Sir, Lordship, I have challenged the order passed in this behalf at the annexure P30, page 119, the type portion here, Lordship. At page 119, this is the order I have challenged in this petition. Where they say that petitioner was given a communication dated 14/9/2022, instructed him to go and join his earlier posting. It's absolutely one application of mine, because there's already an order of this honorable court by that time. Moreover, Lordship, there is an office memorandum also, Lordship.
Yes.
There's an official order which is, I have put it here in 1982, Lordship, that without hearing the person concerned who did not attend his duties, they cannot pass also this order, Lordship.
But this is an order, not an order. This is just seeking instruction from the government. What to
But till
do.
now, they did not give anything, Lordship, nothing, they're sitting on it. But they have already come to the conclusion, Lordship, no work, no pay, so pay. This is the page 119B, Lordship.
That I've seen.
Yes, they have already taken this decision. I'm challenging this order, Lordship, because the entire order was passed on the basis of this order, Lordship. By the,
Which order?
this order, 119, Lordship.
Director's order.
Yes, Lordship.
It says in instruction may be sought from the government.
Yes, Lordship, till now they are not doing anything.
No, why should I issue notice? You get instructions, what happened after this? He is getting his regular salary, but he is agreed because he has not been getting his area salary.
Without any.
Now this letter or this order just indicates that instruction is required from the government. No, I'll let you get instructions on it. But as Parvin and the council for petition, Mr. B.N. Shamal and the standing council elementary shall receive instructions with regard to the outcome of the order dated 14 September 2022, issued by the Director Elementary Education, Assam. How much time? List the matter after 2 weeks.
I know, Lordship.
28.
Lordship, kindly pass the matter for the timely, Lordship, if the takeover is appearing in this case.
League over.
Takeover, it is on lakes in India, when the division network. After some time.
17 of Delhi list, the vacating application.
One matter was there, no? Not there. What university is there? Yes, please.
The matter will pass over to the time. Just after 5 minutes.
Who?
Time is left.
No, this is an application for vacation.
Case 16. The order of unit was passed on the ground that case 16. The opposite part at page below the 17 last paragraph. Was another teacher of Hindi and the teacher of science. Now, the honorable court of these to observe that the Hindi and Assamese are both linguistics. If we are linguistics, see the definition is the senior to me, then this subject has to be. But my subject is not clear. The subject Hindi is not a language teacher. And it is a classical teacher.
Okay, which is.
Time is left.
Hmm.
And secondly, they have to file an appeal before the authority. Suitable appeal. Without appeal, how can the discussion?
Who is Laskar?
The matter will be taken up.
18 admission.
The future sudden demands of some negative of the senior council is can yes, if lordship allow me to, I may be maybe please to case the.
It's up to you. You want an adjournment? I can give you an adjournment.
See, we can start off. I didn't start and then we or we doing something.
Exactly. Instead of wasting time.
Just
Instead of wasting time, if you have to continue, you have to finish it.
Maybe tomorrow.
On request made on behalf of Mr. U.K. Nair and the senior counsel to the petitioner. Please the matter after a week, give a date. Today is 15th, 24th. Is it okay?
24 will be difficult. Maybe 28.
28 is a hearing date. You want it on 27 or 28?
27 or 28. Any day.
27th?
Lots of it.
17.
Yes, Raska.
About that, the provision for physically engaged. But your lordship, this is a case your lordship. Your lordship can also exercise jurisdiction. Because it is, I am not taking something on tax.
Just a minute. Hold it down. I'll be back. I'll be back in 10 minutes.
B, laying down policies for regulating medical institutions, medical researches, and medical professionals, and make necessary regulations in this behalf. Now your lordship would see 12. What role the state has in these institutions? 12. The council shall be the primary platform through which the states and the union territories may put forth their views and concerns before the commission and help in shaping the overall agenda, policy, and action relating to medical education, training, research, and development of it. That is the statutory procedure to be complied with. Now, lordship would see section 44 forwards, page number 18 of the. The central government may give such direction as it may deem necessary to a state government for carrying out all or any of the provisions of this act, and the state government shall comply with such directions. They could not have, they should have waited for the meeting and decision. They did not wait. They issued a letter at page 60 on 10, directing us to go where there is no equipment, no seats. Not it now 47, section 47. Nothing, notwithstanding anything contained in this act, any student who was studying a degree or diploma in any medical institution immediately before the commencement of the act shall continue to so study, to provide instruction and hold examination for such students in accordance with the syllabus and studies as existed before.
I think I've gone through all this. The last
Yes. Just BMS MS regulation, that is our regulation, by which we conducted the course. 30, it will about regulation. You have the regulation.
Yes.
Clause 13.2c. I just place it in the most of states. Yes, sir. Page 67. So 67.2c.
Yes.
13 is migration of students during the study. Logic is an amalgamation from affiliated to one university institution to another university. Therefore, this amounts to migration of a student. It says at 13.5, firstly 13.4d, migration during internship training shall be allowed on extreme compassionate grounds, and the migration shall be allowed only with mutual consent of the medical institution at which the student at the present and the medical institution one which the migration is sought are recognized as per provisions of the commission. 5. All applications for migration shall be referred to the commission by medical institution, and no medical institution shall be allowed migration without prior approval of the commission. 14. Lordship. This is our internship training, that is statutory regulation. Lordship, Here, there are Lordship says is the next phase also. There are lot of things to be complied with because there are clinical work, academic work also. Equipment will be required, Lordship. What the state should have done. The NCS expeditiously has taken a decision, they have to wait as per, but they did on page 60. Page 60 is the improved order now. It's a new improved order.
60.
60.
Yes.
The following are the list of finite BMS students in the examination held in Assam and Sohit Yadav Nath Homeopathic Medical College, Guwahati Assam Homeopathic Medical College, so and so, who have been reported to the office of the undersigned in so and so. Directed to report for internship duty to the hospital Sohit Yadav Nath Homeopathic Medical College on or before 11th February. Now they have directed us to, even after the letter was placed before them in the earlier proceedings, they have directed us to go. Now, if we go and join there in excess of the seats, our degrees will not be recognized. That is the mandate of the commission. Now, this is an act made under NT 66. The state has the power under NT 25 concurrent list of the constitution, which is subject to NT 66. It is there. Therefore, the state, when there is a Lordship knows that when there is a central act, the state has to give way to the central act. Now, Lordship, therefore, Lordship may take this matter with the earlier matter, but in respect of this petitioner status quo, as on today we bring anything.
Have you joined?
No, Lordship. Not at all. No, we have not joined.
We'll see clause number 9, page 49. With the notification for another motion. Page 49.
No. Page 49 is not.
Let me finish. Page 49. There are 9. The shifting of movable properties like furniture, equipment, instruments, and other assets relating to all the department and colleges shall be initiated by the principal. So, during amalgamation, whatever instruments were there in Jonas Community College, that was shifted. That acquired by law. The first petitioner here, another possibility, page 60. His or her name is not there in this list. Page 60. 10th of February 2023.
So there are 17. 13.
Here, my lord, and total my lord candidate is 54, not my lord 100 or something, my lord. Seat capacity is 65. And my lord, the petitioner, they are student, my lord. They did not dictate the government, my lord, what to do. We are aware of their, my lord. We are concerned about this, my lord, studies and all, my lord, about the degree. Conscious decision has been taken. Now, my lord, so far as this letter, 6th of February letter, says that, my lord, the council will take a decision after 15 days. So if they are doing their job, my lord, why are they are so afraid to join in this particular, my lord, institution in Guwahati?
No, if I stay this order or direct a status quo, where will you be doing your?
We are already working at Jorhat. There is a going on hospital there. We are
That is already closed down.
No, that is there. That is there. Still there. Today patients are there.
My lord, all
On today patients are there. That is there.
students are not before the honorable court whose names are there in this
No,
particular
only
list.
for the petitioner. I will say.
How, my lord, one will be having here, my lord.
No, those who want to join, they can join. Because ultimately, if someone joins beyond 63, their degrees will be recognized. Because it is the mandate of the act.
Here is 54.
No, Lordship. It is the wrong list. Page 59, Lordship, is the list. It starts from 55.
He refers to this into
Page 55.
54 only, my lord.
Page 54. This is the total students passed. 54, Lordship.
Only the passed out student will do the internship, not the failed student.
Yes. It is 83, Lordship. 54 it ends in 58, Lordship.
And they should be considered
Yeah.
their internship, my lord.
Their Lordship,
They are educating for all the students.
They are total number of,
They are.
apart from
now
this,
educating
another 30 are there. Total 115 students, which will, who will clear the backs and come and join internship. Therefore, see, firstly, if a state takes a decision, they have to show the power from which they have taken the decision.
These arguments are made.
Maybe we are agitating different rights now.
Who are the petitioners here?
Internists, we have passed the.
In this list, page 60.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Yes, 60.
Yes, yes, that's why I should.
How many petitioners are there?
Yes. Total 12. Total number is not 12, 15 petitioners. Yes, sir. They are from the JK Salkya 54. Namita Kulkarni. Petitioner Namita. The next one. Yes, JK Salkya. It starts, JK Salkya starts from 45. Catherine. Catherine. Turishma Devi, serial number. Serial number 1, Turishma Devi. No, page 50, page 54, page 54. Turishma Devi.
Page, Council
54.
Bora, page 60. I'm asking you where are the names of the petitioners.
Yes, yes.
Page 60.
Page 60, page 60, yes.
These are the persons who are called for the internship.
Yes,
Q&A.
Yes, yes. It is. JK Nazima Sultani Navojit Das. Yes,
If the major start in the repetition manner for the convenient for the also. Now he is starting at the time of motion.
You prepare and come, we'll take it up on
No,
Friday.
Page 60, I think we are not there. But we are being regularly called for internship.
How there will be a notice.
So it is not there for the.
Your names are not there in page 60.
No, they are issuing separate now for these students, they are issuing this. Earlier, they have issued.
One thing, page 60, your names are not there.
Not there, I check.
Then these are the students only who have been called for internship. You have not been called.
All have some already notice matter. We have the parents from some other person.
No.
You have not been called.
They have been put forward.
You have not been called for internship.
No, they are organizing a court taking ceremony tomorrow. All are being called. Maybe not by this application, but all are being called.
How can you say all are being called? Look at this order, it's specific.
Lordship, I'll just take one instruction and come back and Lordship will take it after something.
Lordship will take our side regarding this kind of doubt that the petitioner has regarding notes that internship part, and it will make that. I will tell you that. Yeah. In the meantime, let him have the instruction with that and name is there.
Yes, Lordship, they are in because they have been called. We will face that out.
P.B. Boran and Council for Petitioner. On the request made by Mr. B. Gogoil and the Standing Council of Health Department. This is the matter of 17th.
End of daily list.
Here are the agreed by the Annexure 5 and 6. Exercising the same act which was earlier done by the Mother. This is Mother. Annexure page 34. We have to look at page 34. By this method for the recognition and affiliation and NOC from the university because starting method they course in colleges. And for that I can register my institutions with the method NCP. So that purpose of the university NOC is required, and for that purpose university have to conduct an inspection. So that was the
Annexure 24, annexure to page 24, my lord. That was issued to inspectors of the universities to genuinely inspection on my college and to submit the report within 10 days. And my lord, from the date of the inspection. And to that effect, all the expenditures and PAD will be incurred by and accordingly, my lord, after inspection, being my lord, submitting the satisfactory report, I was directed by Annexure 3 at page 25 to deposit, my lord, that is on 28/12/2020, to deposit rupees 4,82,000. And in pursuit of that, my lord, I have deposited the amount and I have released a copy of the online payment was there. So I have submitted these things by my application 8/2022 that I have deposited that much amount for my concern. After that, I was expecting that I am seeing this because the inspection council, after receiving the money, they have to issue the answer. But subsequently, what they did by Annexure 5 at least 27, they considered another 2 inspection committee by constituting 3 members each, and by which I was directed to pay for all the KDA and other expenditures, including the travel and all that. To that effect, I might have been because once the inspection is done and they have to receive the money, then they have to issue the MC. So after what is the meaning of the again going like the same thing which is already been done.
This is an order of 18/8/2022.
Yes, madam.
After this, what happened? They've come or not?
They have not come. They all the time, my lord, I approached the police authority. They could not manage each other. Somebody had time, other than don't have time. So I am suffering. Now the powers of the my institution should be registered for the recognition of the NCT. So if I am not getting the NOC, so I will suffer because I have all the infrastructure. Like say kindly for them, come to Annexure 1. It is an inspection report by the SCRT. The Joint Director of the SCRT inspection was done by him, and he has submitted the satisfactory report. I have complied all the provisions of the minor NCT, and rooms are constructed, and all staff, everything is done as per the guideline. So, NOC to issue the NOC to the government, they have issued this. So everything I complied. So I am agreed. If they want to go, they are not able to manage themselves. They organize themselves to go to my institution. And they have to, again, I have to from my etc. of my own pocket. So this is not accepting because the institution is going to start the courses. Important if I am incurring a heavy amount for the same purpose. It is meaningless. So I can the NOC very time maybe issue because they have received the money. For that purpose,
Yes, sir.
neither they have returned nor they have saying anything on that.
The letter may come up on Monday. In the meantime, I have instruction. I had a talk thus now inter-register with holiday university. Some complaints are there. So I central has to act upon. So this second order. I will obtain instruction.
Complaint is invited. Complaint is a different aspect. I
Under what university, my central has the power under section 80.
Third, Mr. P. Manda, on request made by Mr. P.J. Fukan, the standing council, Dibrugarh University. This is the matter on 20.
Item 19, admission.
Oh, not Dibrugarh. What?
Challenging order of the very order. I will respond. Directly. Effective part of the order as your worship at page 197.
I'll come to the matter. Discussions in the judgment at the next stage. Paragraph 30 at page 197. That is the effective part of the judgment of the statute. Thus, without going, has a worship order. Thus, without going into the details of the documents proved by both the sides and the allegations and counter allegations against each other, from the fact as discussed above, it is proved beyond doubt that in this case, the SMC of Bapuje High School in Indonesia has acted in haste by not following the prescribed rules as narrated here and before. The SMC even did not follow the advice of the inspector of school given by Activity 3 and thus acted beyond law. The action of removal of the petitioner by the SMC by resolution number 3 dated 22/8/2007 is absolutely illegal. The same even violated the principles of natural justice. As such, the action of the SMC by which the petition was terminated cannot be allowed to stand and accordingly set aside. I would like to mention here that for the purpose of brevity of judgment, I have avoided discussing the various evidence and other documents proved by either side due to arrival at the decision of the prima facie failure of the respondent to show fairness in their action of removal of the petitioner from service. Paragraph 32 is important. In consequence of my above findings, by setting aside the resolution number 3 by which the service of the petitioner Sri Ramanathan was terminated as illegal, the consequential action taken, that is approval of Avadesh Kumar Singh as headmaster, also held to be illegal and liable to be set aside inside the Avadesh Kumar Singh is the petitioner before Rossi, receiving this judgment. Now, my lord, man, it's a list of dates that we can do. Now, the school where the petitioner and the private respondent was working, it was a branches at that given point of time when the respondent number 5 was appointed as the assistant teacher of the school on 10/9/1992. Then he was allowed to hold charge of the headmaster by the SMC on 22/6/2001. Then he was placed under suspension on 1/6/2007. There was an inquiry by the joint director and also by the inspector, and thereafter there is an inquiry. The worship may not be with that right now. Thereafter, on 22/8/2007, resolution was adopted by the SMC of the school removing him from the post of headmaster of the high school. That is the date when he was terminated. Now, this is important matter. The date is 22/8/2007. And 22/9/2007, the Assam Non-Government Educational Institutions Regulation and Management Rules 2007 came into being. This is important because, my lord, the decision has been arrived at in the judgment under these rules, which are not in existence at the period when the service was terminated. Then, my lord, on 30th of November 2007, the petitioner Mr. Rossi, he was appointed as headmaster of the high school, a regular headmaster. In the meantime, in 2014, the Rossi, the dates will be very relevant. In 2014, he filed a writ petition challenging his termination. This is my lord. Termination was of 2007. He challenged it in 2014. And this honorable court on 4/8/2016 directed the respondent to approve the education director. In the meantime, the school was provincialized on 22/9/2014. Why I say this is important. From 2007, the gentleman was not there in the school. But when he came to know that school will be provincialized, then in 2014, just before provincialization, he approaches this court and files a resolution. Earlier period also he filed the resolution challenging the constitution of the managing committee and also a show cause notice issued to him. But that has been withdrawn. I'll show you what. And then this delegation tribunal after taking evidence on a part with us. Now the primary ground of evidence is that my lord, the judge
We'll come back at
Yes.
before you start.
takes some time. You are Ebuwa. Because my provincialization has been changed in the for the tribunal.
Yeah.
And they are filing a registration in the tribunal there, they have contested it. But here they-
You want the file? Then we can continue.
My learned friend is around the same. He insisted that that's why otherwise I'm waiting for him.
But Mr. M.K. Chowdhury, then it's in your custody. Assisted by Mr. U.K. Goswami, then a counsel. Also had M.A. Sheikh, learned counsel for respondent. M.S.D. Mushari, then the standing counsel secondary education is allowed. How much time you require? It's allowed 3 weeks time to file contract. List the matter after 3 weeks. Give a date after 3 weeks. 10th March.
So, Madam, as a independent opposition question has come, Madam, I may be allowed to.
If he
Okay, then what the MS D. Mushari,
That's number 5.
as well as the standing counsel, as well as Mr. M.A. Sheikh, then the counsel for respondent. Are both allowed 3 weeks time to file the respective contracts list of them.
But the date has been given.
I've given.
10th of March.
Benji. I think for the first time.
Yes. Others have whole files. You are filing or not, Dean Sharma? But Ms. MS
And police.
and Kalita, then the counsel for petitioner. Mr. Ben Chamal and Standing Council, Elementary Education Department, as well as Mr. S. Vishwakarma, then the council to respond to the fight. Are both allowed. How much time is required? 3 weeks time to file the respective counter applications. Please start to 3 weeks.
21 orders.
On request made by Mr. M.P. Sharma, council petition, list the matter after 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
22.
It's only the second time you in the proof. In the proof of the implementation of the order. One more aspect of, right now, I think, going to contact the petition. In the logic. The logic.
Just something. You see the.
Verify the order of this order.
So you want some time? Majumdar,
Verify this.
give her some.
Last page of that, last page of the other statement. She also. About the takes on network instructions, makes an observation of the same method.
We can close it. I think.
Logic, things, and we can verify.
Okay. On request made by MS D. M.
So,
Sharma. Then the council petition, list the matter after 3 weeks. Mr. R. Majumdar, then the council appears on behalf of respondent, on behalf of all the respondents.
23.
Yes.
The last petition, madam, everyone is directed to give the authority to the petitioner. That's why the authority has already clarified the doubt regarding the validity of my NCP is already clear. In last order, it was
So I'll give you 2 weeks time for filing compliance. Mr. You are Mr. S. Hasarika, then the council petition. Mr. R. Majumdar, then the council for the response. Is allowed 2 weeks time for filing compliance report. List on 2 weeks. 2 weeks is 9th March. No, 10th. 9th is a hearing day. 10.
24.
Who appears here also?
Instructed to see 40 working days. Because our step was that they will only show the cover of the. However, we persist the matter.
But Mr. S. K. Goswami, then the council for petitioner, Mr. R. Majumdar, then the council for the respondents, submits that they are taking steps for giving provisional pension to the petitioner. And therefore, praise for how much time? 1 month.
Day before 8 weeks.
Okay, we will give
I have no objection.
praise for
Starting
2 months and therefore praise for 2 months time. Praise for list up to 2 months.
25.
This is the last case.
And if you not hear from the data, we will receive notification today. We will start understanding this.
On request made by MS,
Table
D. Varwa.
one.
You got it. The councillor appearing on behalf of Mr.
The data.
D. Dekar. List the matter after 1 week.
Right.